Hey there everybody, I'm Captain Mark. Come on out and get some photographs like these ones I've taken out here. Come on out on the Assateague Explorer, Nature Cruise, and Kayak Tour. Come on out and let's make some unforgettable memories. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Be sure to leave a comment. Visit our website, AssateagueExplorer.com. Be sure to subscribe. Come out here and enjoy the scenery. This is my brother right here, Captain Michael. There he is. You see some beautiful sunsets out here on the water. Come on out here with us. Call us up right now or visit our website, AssateagueExplorer.com. I'm Captain Mark. Come on down. You're gonna love this place. You can buy some of my photographs while you're on the boat or on my website, photographerimages.com. Visit our website, AssateagueExplorer.com, to reserve your seats on the boat and on the kayak tour. Be sure to do the boat twice while you're here and the kayak tour twice, because the wild horses and dolphins and birds and all that are moving around all day, each day. So this increases your chance of seeing more while you're here. And this is the reason you're visiting here on your vacation. So do the combo tour. And you can see different herds of horses that move around all day. The wild horses like to graze during the day. Any time of day is good to see them. They move around in small family groups all throughout the day. The dolphins and the birds move around also. We were looking at the wild horses. We also get to see birds like these black skimmers. Black skimmers typically live to be around 15 to 20 years old. They are highly social birds, often found nesting and foraging in large colonies along these coastal areas with other birds, such as these willet shorebirds that love to feed and sleep along this coastal environment. These shorebirds are actually feeding on my grandfather's old clam flats, remnants of his clam business. My grandfather had a clam business here. I bet he'd be surprised at the photographs I take out here. These bird generations are likely descendants of the very birds my grandfather once witnessed here. Although my grandfather passed away in 1962, I imagine he'd be astounded to witness me guiding visitors along Assateague, where we see birds and dolphins and different herds of wild horses. Almost every day we see Atlantic bottlenose dolphins on our way out to see the wild horses. Yes, we see dolphins almost every time. They are really elegant. They glide effortless through the waters here. These marine mammals are highly social beings, often found in individual groups of over a dozen. These pods consist of family groups with strong bonds that are formed, and communication is key as they navigate the vast expanse of their home here. We often see these dolphins feeding on fish. Atlantic bottlenose dolphins serve as a reminder of the beauty and diversity of all these ecosystems. hope you enjoyed the video. You can purchase some of my prints on my website, photographerimages.com. Be sure to give us a call at 757-336-5956 or visit our website, assateagueexplorer.com. The sunsets are always different. We look forward to seeing you soon. Be sure to subscribe.